Yeah, hi students. I am Dr. Badrinath. In this video, we will see the DDI, drug interactions. Okay. In DDI, what we have to read is the two topics which you have, which it was there in the syllabus. Okay. First one is the DDI significance, where it is importance, how much it is important. That and all comes in the significance. That is number one. Number two is the classification of the DDA along with the examples that we will see in the next video. Okay, in this video, we will see this is very, very important where we have to use this significance. Okay, where it is more importance of the DDI. Okay, see one drug interact with the another one. What happens? Okay, that and all very, very important topic. Okay, it comes in the biopharmaceutics, it comes in the clinical pharmacy, in many subjects it comes in the B pharmacy, M pharmacy, as well as a pharma D. Okay, right. DDI is a more significant in the four areas. More significant, very, 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 very important in the areas, four areas. First, number one, narrow therapeutic window drugs. Narrow. That these all these points we will discuss one by one. Okay, narrow therapeutic window drugs, therapeutic range, therapeutic index, both are same. Okay, then number two is the combination therapy. Combination. Okay, that is a number two. Number three is the multiple prescribers, number of prescribers. Cardiologist will be there, dentist will write one medicine, cardiologist will write the one more medicine. Okay, bone specialist, orthopedist to write one more tablet. Okay, like that number of prescribers are there. Wide variety of genetical makeup. Genetical makeup, number of genes are there throughout a worldwide in the humans itself. Okay, that is also one of the problem. These are the four areas where you need a drug interaction. Otherwise, what happened, the patient, if you find any potential drug interaction in the prescription, it will be very dangerous. The patient will not be there in the hospital, he will be there in the mortuary. Okay, his body will be in the mortuary and his soul will be RIP, rest in a peace, or it will be there in the hell, it will be there in the heaven, or either it may be chance. Okay, right. That's why the very, very important focus areas of the drug interactions, number one. So I used the different colors here for your easy recognition. Narrow therapeutic window drugs, that first we will see. This is a green color, this is a blue color, and this is a brown color. Like that I have divided. See, yeah, first one, DDI is defined as the effectiveness. See here, see the bold lines so that you will understand entire concept. Number of drugs is there in the market. See how many drugs are coming daily. Number of drugs are coming in the market. Number of combinations are coming. Number of brands are coming. Paracetamol itself, it consists of nearly 500 brands are there. 500 brands of paracetamol in the India itself. Okay, not my, that is the minimum I am telling. And different brands consist of different additives. It may be paracetamol, but additives, what they have added in the tablet, it will excipients may be vary. There may be a chance of drug excipient interaction also, like that. Many problems are there that we will see. See, effectiveness of one medication is altered by the another medicine. Either it may be alteration, means either it may be increased or it may be decreased. Okay, like that. Alteration of the effectiveness of one medicine by the another medicine. Okay, and DDI risk is increasing day by day, increasing DDI drug interaction because of the number of medicines, number of brands, number of products are coming into the market. It is very dangerous now. Okay, DDI is directly proportional to the number of drugs present in the prescription. If higher the number of prescribed drugs, higher the chances of the drug interaction. If lower the drugs which are prescribed in the prescription, lower the risk of the drug interaction. All these points you have to take screenshots and you have to write in the examination. Okay, yeah, fortunately, some little bit fortunate is there, there is some beneficial effects also with the combination. Some of the drugs will give synergistic combination, excellent combination. Okay, so but however beneficial drug interaction combinations are very less. Very less. Dangerous drug-drug interactions combinations are more. Number of headache will come. Headache by seeing that combinations. Okay. So significant attention must be focused. Okay, that's why see one important point is still many drug interactions are yet to be identified, not yet identified. Some of the DDI. That's why whenever your prescription or checking the prescription, DDI is very important for all, especially for pharmacy students and B pharmacy students. While you are prescribing, it is all important for all pharmacy students. Okay, first one is the drugs with the narrow therapeutic index. This is also called as a narrow therapeutic range, narrow therapeutic index, narrow therapeutic window, whatever it may be. All the names are same only. We know very well. Here you can see the drugs with the very narrow therapeutic range. See here, this is, we know very well, this is a maximum concentration, maximum safe concentration. Once you cross this toxic zone, see here toxic zone. Once it becomes a less subtherapeutic zone. See, this is a red color, dangerous toxic zone. Drug dose, drug concentration in the body, you have to maintain always in the this zone only, green zone only. If it comes fall, subtherapeutic, no therapeutic value, no disease will be cured. It is waste only. Even the tablet is taking, it is waste only. And the toxic zone, the patient may gone. RIP, Lord Yama is on the way. Okay, he will come and catch his soul at any time. Okay, see, this is a wide therapeutic range. See, I shown here side by side. This is a very narrow therapeutic range. Even the little increase of another drug alteration, either increase or decrease. If you increase, toxic zone. If you decrease, subtherapeutic range. So narrow therapeutic, just like a walking on a rope. See, that's why here I put an example for you. See, walking on the rope, one side toxicity is there, another side subtherapeutic range is there. You should not fall. You must cross the pharmacist. You have to maintain the balance. Like that, you have to maintain the drug concentration on the way only. Okay, see here, this is a narrow window. This is a wide therapeutic window. No problem for these type of drugs. Wide variety of narrow therapeutic window drugs only dangerous. That points you have to be need a much focus. Okay, see here, DDI needs more focus for the narrow therapeutic index drugs. Small increase in the, it leads to toxic effect. Small little decrease in the no therapeutic outcome. Same points you have to take screenshot and you have to write in the examination. Examples are very important, especially digitoxin. See here, narrow therapeutic window. Digitoxin, warfarin, war. See here, war I kept for you, easy remember, war. Okay, warfarin. Okay, cyclosporin and theophylline, carbamazepine, CBZ. This is popularly called as a CBZ. Carbamazepine bike, we know very well, CBZ bike from the Hero Honda. Okay, see, digitoxin toxicity having a number of interactions with the see, digitoxin toxicity, all these are the digitoxin toxicity. Why the digitoxin toxicity is more when compared to other drugs? Means narrow therapeutic range. Okay, so all the drugs easily disturb the concentration of the digitoxin in the body. Either it increases or it decreases easily. That's why, see, Verapamil increasing the serum distoxin concentration. That's why don't give distraction with the Verapamil. Okay, next is amiodarone, increases the serum distraction toxicity again. Okay, spironolactone, quinidone, number of drugs are there. Propafenone, how to remember all these things? Very difficult. That's why now app is there, mobile app. I have already explained in previous video. In the next video also I will explain what are the apps available. Mobile apps available. Okay, and hyperkalemia, diuretics, warfarin, especially warfarin. Warfarin itself is a one narrow therapeutic, warfarin. Okay, and it doesn't. Digitoxin is also narrow therapeutic. Both are, if you combine, it will be a problem. Again, like that, number of problems are there. Number of problems with narrow therapeutic range. Number two, we come to the combination therapy. Combination therapy is nothing but minimum 4 drugs are using for the treatment of TB. See here, how many this is one tablet, one strip. In one strip, this is this is ethambutol, this is isoniazid, okay, this is pyrazinamide, okay, this is a rifampicin. See, 4 drugs are combined together. That's why this is called a combination therapy. Some of the diseases are you have to give combination only. Single drug cannot work. Single drug, no cure, no, waste only. You must give. So you are giving since more and more combinations for a single disease, it will be a problematic. For a patient, there may be a high chances of the risk of the, for example, this is a TB kit. TB kit, tuberculosis kit. 4 tablets, 4 drugs are there. See here, combi pack of ethambutol hydrochloride, same only I have mentioned here. AKT4, AK47 like that, AKT4. Okay, lupin, it is prepared by Lupin company. If TB patient suffering with the headache, now you have to give a painkiller. Also, painkiller may interact with the ethambutol, painkiller may interact, ibuprofen painkiller may interact with the isoniazid, ibuprofen may interact with the pyrazinamide, ibuprofen may interact with the rifampicin. There may be chances that that's why combination therapy, you need much focus. Okay, right? See, this is a leprosy. This is also combination therapy you require. See here, I made a list of diseases here. Tuberculosis, number 1. This is a TB, which is related to the lungs, you know very well, tuberculosis. Second one is the leprosy. Okay. And third one is a cancer. This is a symbol of the cancer. This is the symbol of the, this one. This is a symbol of cancer. This is a symbol of HIV, red color HIV. Okay. See, it is also, this is also known as a combination therapy, is also known as a multiple drug therapy, because number of drugs you are giving. Polytherapy, okay, polypharmacy, polymedications, like that. Poly means many, we know very well. So combination therapy is a treatment modality that combines 2 or more therapeutic agents to treat a single disease. Okay. The rationale for the combination of this therapy drugs is the work by the, they works by different mechanism. That's why they are using a combination therapy. Different drug will use a different mechanism of action, so that you can directly come back with the disease. Okay. These are the examples. You have to write all these examples in the, okay. See here. Since combination therapy using a polymedication, high level chances of the DDI. These easily alter the pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic of the one drug may be altered by another drug, either pharmacokinetically or pharmacodynamically. In one or another way, it reacts with another drug. So that's why you should be having a great care, especially in the combination therapy. There is a greater chance of therapy failure if you withdraw therapy failure. See, one drug, antagonist, both you have given. Both are waste, giving waste. Patient is unnecessarily exposing to the medication, but it is giving off a waste. Therapy failure, like that. Number of problems are there. Patient may develop the toxicity because unnecessarily you are exposing to the patient. Both are one antagonist, 1 + 1 is equal to 0 here. Okay. So great need and great significance of the DA. Medical staff must be on high alert. Number 3, multiple prescribers. This is one of the biggest problem. Dentist will write one tablet, one antibiotic. Cardiologist will write a digitaxin. Number of drugs are there. Digitaxin, the lipophilic drugs. Okay, number of drugs are there. Especially statins, lipostatins. Okay, these drugs may be interact one and another one. There may, and cardiologist. Bone specialist will write one, skin specialist will write one more prescription. All these prescription. Patient, see, cardiologists don't know that dentist wrote for the same patient, dentist wrote one tablet, because patient will not tell. Directly he will go to cardiologist and he will ask, that sir, I am suffering with that. So he will write. Even the doctor will ask, he will not tell. Sometimes even though he will tell, doctor might ignore. There may be chances of there. So that's why, see, cardiologist, gastroenterologist, dentist, a number of are there. Cancer hospital, fever hospital, disease-wise hospital is there. Organ-wise hospital is there. Liver hospital, eye hospital, like that. Liver-wise, part organ one-wise, disease one hospital again. So this causes a need. So patient will not tell. So need to consult more through 3 to 4 specialists. If suppose the patient is having a more than one disease, he need to consult more than 3 to 4 specialists. Nowadays, even the single disease also, you have to need a 3 to 4 doctors. It may be a problem. Okay. Here there will be a chance of drug interaction due to the lack of communication between the doctors. lack of transparency, hiding the information by the patient, doctors asking for regular medication, all these things you have to. And fourth one, wide variety of genetical makeup. This is one of the biggest problem. See, whenever you are doing a clinical trial, see, this point is very, very important. In clinical trials, maximum we are using a 3,000 people you are giving a testing whenever you are releasing a new medication into the market, not more than the 3,000. Okay, so you have tested only in 3,000 varieties of genes. That's it. Maximum, because in Indian means most of them are having a same, almost same genes. Okay, in Indians you tested, but you are giving to the worldwide the same medicine because you got approval. So you are prescribing, doctors are prescribing worldwide prescription. Worldwide is makeup with the different genetical makeup. See here, this fellow is from Russia, this fellow from America, Sudan, this fellow is Sudani, African, like that number of countries are, genes will vary, wide variety of genes are there. Okay, so your drugs may be drug interaction along with the gene may be different. Drug interaction with gene. Okay, so there is a more chances of adverse drug reaction, more chances of drug interaction. Hence, great care must be taken in this concern. Very, 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 very important, right? Okay. Yeah, this is a classification of drug interaction in the next video. Drug interactions along with the classification with the examples that I will explain you in the next slide, right? So all videos are available in my playlists, in my channel's playlists.